So one of the biggest questions I get when people are starting out trying to figure out if they should even apply for the Amazon influencer program is, how many followers do I actually need to have in order for Amazon to approve me to get into their influencer program? So that's a great question, and it's kind of a funny question because there really is no concrete answer. Amazon doesn't tell us. That's the short version. Amazon just doesn't tell us. There's no requirement like you need 10,000 YouTube subscribers or 5,000 Instagram followers. They just don't tell you. I will tell you from my experience is that I've seen people get approved in a whole wide range of followers, of subscribers, of whatever that may be. So in order to increase your chances of getting approved to be in the Amazon influencer program, what you want to do is figure out what is your top following, your top social channel out of the 4 that Amazon accepts, which are YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So out of those 4, where is your largest subscriber or follower base? And that is going to be the social media channel that you want to use when you apply to the Amazon influencer program. Now, I know people that have gotten approved and disapproved with 10,000 plus followers, subscribers. I also know people that have been approved or disapproved with as low as 2,000 followers or subscribers. So really what I'm saying is go ahead and apply. What do you have to lose? You can always reapply if you don't get accepted on the first time, and you can build up that subscriber or follower count over the coming weeks and months, however long it takes. I am telling you, the Amazon influencer program is one of the greatest ways to earn money as a creator online, and there's no harm in applying and trying. So if you're not quite sure, you're right on the border there of subscribers and followers, just go ahead and apply. You can find the application link really easily if you just Google Amazon influencer program sign up, or you can look in the description below here and I'll link directly to the application. Don't be afraid to just try, and if you don't get accepted right away, keep trying, keep growing your following, keep getting those subscribers, and you are bound to be approved later on down the road. It's definitely worth it. Keep trying, keep going for it. Good luck with your Amazon influencer application. And if you need any other help, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can learn all the ins and outs that I've been learning over the last 2 years as a 6-figure earner with the Amazon influencer program.